Hi there, Smudge here again, your digital guide into the world of digital marketing. In our last video, I briefly explained what Google My Business is and why it's one of the first things you should set up in your digital marketing campaigns. But how exactly do you get a Google My Business listing? For many businesses, Google will auto-generate a Google My Business listing. If this is the case for your business, don't panic. Nobody's pretending to be you. Google has just recognized that your business exists already. All you need to do is claim the listing as your own. To do this, find the link on the Google My Business listing that says either own this business or claim this business. You'll then be taken through a few steps to verify that you do indeed own the business in the listing. Once that's done, set up the key features to make your listing as attention grabbing as possible, and you're all set. If you're a new business or your business website isn't connected to Google in any way just yet, it's very likely that you will not find a listing for your business on Google. Thankfully, creating a Google My Business listing is very simple. Firstly, you need to log into your Gmail account, or if you don't have one already, create a new Gmail account first. For the sake of this lesson, I will assume you're already logged into your Gmail. Head over to google.co.uk and run a Google search term for Google My Business. Now, of course, Google doesn't really need to use SEO to get its website on the top of the search results. So what we're looking for is right here. At the top, click the link and this page will load. Over here in the top right hand corner, you can see a button that says Manage Now. Give that a click and follow the step-by-step instructions to create your business listing. There are 5 forms that you need to fill out to create your listing. Number 1 is the business name. Number 2 is your location. Number 3 is the business category. Number 4 is your phone number and website. Number 5 is verify connection to the business. And number 6 is choose a way to verify. Once you've gone through all these steps, you will be required to choose a method of verification. Depending on the methods you're provided with, and it is important to note that Google has the final choice on how you can verify your listing, the verification can be instant or it can take up to a week. There are 4 main methods of verification that may be available to you. They all have the same result, it's just some are quicker than others. Whilst you are often offered a selection of verification methods, not all methods we are about to cover will be available to you. Number 1, postal verification. This method is one of the slowest verification methods available, and it generally takes around a week to complete. With this method, Google will offer to send a postcard or letter to the address currently on the listing with a unique code for verification. Once you receive this code, you simply enter it into your Google My Business account and you are free to edit the business listing however you wish. Number 2, verification by phone. This is the most popular verification method available. It's not the quickest, but it requires a lot less effort to set up. If your phone number is already on the listing, Google can offer to call you and an automated message will provide you a verification code. Number 3, verify by email. Very simply, if you have an email address registered to your listing, you can get an email code sent to yourself directly to your inbox, and you type that into the Google My Business account. Number 4, verify instantly. This method is by far the quickest available. But should you wish to claim your Google My Business listing instantly, first the ownership of your website must be verified through the Google Search Console. Once you've been verified, your Google login details will have complete ownership access to the listing, allowing you to edit the listing's information, upload pictures, and so much more. So that's it. You now know how to create, claim, and verify your Google My Business listing. It's a great first step on the road to creating an amazing digital marketing strategy. If you found this information useful, be sure to hit the like button below. It really helps us plan what further information is useful to you as a business owner. And to get instant updates on when our latest content comes out, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Okay, so that's everything for today. Thank you very much for joining me. I really appreciate you taking the time to listen to me in this lesson. If you've got any further questions, you can contact me directly through our Facebook page. The link is in the description below. Or alternatively, check out our website at www.summers-marketing.com. All the links are in the description below. Please be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Speak soon.